Shares of Broadcom are currently trading at $12.3632, and they are up over 91% in this past year alone. Analysts have put the one-year price target as high as $1,700, as low as $1,200, with the average price being $155.2. I have their share price. Their current PE is 36.9, based on a TTM EPS of 33.46. Their forward one-year EPS is projected to be 36.80, ending October 2024. And so if we take that projected EPS and we multiply it by the current PE ratio of 36.9, we would get a stock price of $13.5973, which is a 10% increase. The industry average is 44.9, and that would result in a stock price of $16.5379, which is a 34% increase. The competitor average, NVDA, TSM, and ACLS, is 38.3. That multiple would give us a stock price of $14.1067, which is a 14% upside. The S&P 500 is quite a bit lower at 23.3. That multiple would give us a stock price of $856.34, which is a 31% decrease. And the Savvy Analyst's best guess, I think it's a little bit overvalued right now, and that might come down. But even if it does, because the EPS is growing, I think we would see a 1% change and a $12.5120 stock price this time next year. Broadcom has great revenue and net income growth and has great EPS growth as well, and has beat estimates by an average of 2.29% over the past 4 quarters, which is fantastic. One thing to note is their debt to equity is quite high at 2.03, especially when the stock is trading as high as it is, because if the stock price ever starts to come down, that's going to raise our debt to equity, and if it's already at 2, that's not really a good sign. But overall, I think that we can still see some great things out of Broadcom Inc. this next year, even after a recent bull run of 90%.